Think to Win is a supplementary lesson prescribed for 6th standard. In this lesson, Think to Win, Lata Kaku tells how Rucha, who had a low self-esteem about herself, was able to overcome her hesitations and denials, her fears and self-doubts. She proved that she could win whenever she chose to do so. In this picture, you find a mother helping her daughter to ride a bicycle. In the same way, Rucha, a 10-year-old girl, was taught to ride a bicycle. Vishnu, a boy younger to her, had been teaching her to ride the cycle for the past 2 weeks. In this picture, you find a man letting his child to ride his cycle on his own. For a few moments, Vishnu let go of his hold and Rucha was on her own. When Rucha realized that Vishnu was not holding the bicycle anymore, she started wailing. Before Vishnu could reach her, the bicycle wobbled, tilted to one side. Rucha fell down on a bush but was unhurt. She shouted angrily at Vishnu. Vishnu tried to explain, but nothing could pacify her. Rucha entered a house to complain. Her mother listened to her and said calmly that everyone experienced the same difficulty and that all fall down when learning to ride a bicycle. Rucha went on complaining that the cycle was too big for her and that her toes barely touched the ground. There was a contrast between Rucha and Seema. Seema was the younger sister of Rucha. Rucha was very conscious of her movements even when running and playing. She seldom did things rashly. Seema, on the other hand, was very bold and was ready to take risks. Richa started practicing for the inter-house badminton matches. She gave up other activities and started practicing with a friend. She was in the senior team. During the day of the match, she lost the game by a couple of points. Her house stood second in the overall tally. Rucha was very disappointed. Aruna, one of her friends, consoled her. Aruna encouraged Rucha to participate in relay. Rucha finally agreed and got training under the new PT instructor. Prakash Sir, the PT instructor, was enthusiastic about sports. He praised, scolded, and corrected the children. Most of the time, he encouraged them. When Rucha and Aruna were talking, Sabnam, Rucha's teammate informed them that the team named Springfields had a very fast runner and that everyone called her PT Usha. Sir, the PT instructor, overheard this conversation. He at once took a quick decision. He called the girls of the relay team and showed them exercises that would allow their legs to stretch more and stride faster. He trained them in the skill of passing the baton without losing speed. He advised the girls not to lose their speed when nearing their next team member. Prakash sir called Rucha and advised her to maintain her speed. He told her to have a positive attitude. He also advised her not to think of losing. Instead, think to win and think only to win. These words kept ringing in her ears. The stadium bustled with great activity. Children from several schools were moving around, checking out the different venues where particular events were to be held. Prakash sir collected the schedule and gave the girls appropriate instructions. The principal of the host school inaugurated the meet with a short speech and also introduced the participating schools. Rucha and most other children of their school got through the heats to enter the final scheduled for the following day. Prakash sir gave them the final words of encouragement. Shabnam, Neelam, Aruna, and Rucha were in one team. The race started. Finally, the baton was in Rucha's hand. She saw PT Usha trying to overtake her. Just then, Prakash's words echoed in her ears. For Rucha, this was a proud moment. She, who had a low self-esteem about herself, proved to be a winner by overcoming her hesitations and denials. Had a low self-esteem about herself. Finally, she was able to overcome her fears and self-doubts. This lesson teaches us that we should always have a positive approach towards life. We should never think negatively. This negative attitude will be a hindrance in reaching our goal. So, we should always develop a positive attitude, and this attitude will pave the way for a successful life. Rucha, a 10-year-old girl, was learning cycling. Vishnu had been teaching her to ride for the past 2 weeks. He let go his hold when she realized that Vishnu was far away. She started wailing. She lost her balance and fell into a bush. she scolded Vishnu. The boy tried to explain, but Rucha would not listen. Rucha had a younger sister named Seema. Rucha seldom did things rashly, whereas Seema was very bold and ready to take risks. Rucha participated in the inter-house badminton match. She practiced with her friend Aruna. She lost the game by a couple of points, and her team stood second in the overall tally. Rucha was in the school relay team. She was not confident of herself. Prakash sir was the new PT instructor. He trained the girls in the skills of passing the baton without losing speed. He told Rucha to have a positive attitude. He advised her not to think of losing. He kept telling Rucha, think to win, think only to win. The next day, the relay race started. When Rucha thought of giving up, the PT instructor's words, think to win, flashed across her mind. Then she focused her mind only on winning the race. Thus, Rucha was able to overcome her hesitations and denials. She proved to be self-confident. Meanings: wobbled, move unsteadily; stormed, move angrily; pacify, bring peace; remorseful, regretful; enthusiastic, showing interest; placating, pacify; appropriate, suitable or proper; fleetingly, for a very short time. Choose the correct answer. Girls, you are a good team. Which team do the girls belong to? Hockey or relay? The answer is relay. Springfields is the name of school team. The answer is team. Seema is Rucha's younger sister or friend. The answer is younger sister. Whose words inspired Rucha? Prakash sir, Seema. The answer is Prakash sir.